My name is Grady Lacher, and I am the Helping Families Initiative Team Leader with the Calhoun and Cleburne County District Attorney's Office. I would like to take this opportunity to speak with you about state attendance law and school attendance policies. It is imperative that both parents, guardians, and students are all aware of these rules. Under Alabama law, all students are required to attend school on a regular basis. Failure to attend school regularly can result in a misdemeanor charge for truancy for the parent or guardian and a juvenile petition for students 13 or over. No one at your child's school wants that to happen, and no one at the district attorney's office wants it to happen either. So let's talk about these legal procedures and these school policies so that you're aware of them and can avoid any issues or worse, prosecution. If your child misses school, you must turn an excuse in within 3 days of the absence. This 3-day school policy is not just school policy, but also state law. If the school does not receive an excuse within 3 days of the absence, it must be coded as unexcused. Second, after the first or second unexcused absence in a school year, the school will alert you through a letter to remind you of this requirement to turn in excuses within 3 days. Next, if your child gets 5 unexcused absences at any point during the school year, the parent or guardian will be required to attend a warning session known as early warning. Some school systems utilize early warning court at the courthouse, while other systems have early warning sessions at the school level. Either way, early warning is a courtesy session to alert families of how important having good attendance is, and another reminder that the parent, unfortunately, may be getting close to the legal threshold for a truancy charge. Next, if a student continues to get unexcused absences and reaches 7, that equals a truancy charge. At that point, the school system is required by law to file an arrest warrant for the parent or guardian and a juvenile petition for children 13 or over. Once again, no one wants this to happen. So what can you as a parent or guardian do to make sure this doesn't happen? First, ensure that excuses reach the school within 3 days of the absence. Verify that the excuse is received by the school. Just because you send an excuse with your child does not mean that they always remember to turn it in. If they fail to turn one in, it is an unexcused absence. Therefore, it's best to verify that the school received it. Second, all school systems allow parents to write excuses. However, the number of parent-written excuses allowed each semester varies by system. So make sure you know the number allowed by your school system and keep up with how many you've used. After using that designated number of parent notes, all school systems in Calhoun and Cleburne County require further absences to be excused by doctor or legal notes. Also, remember, if you check your child out or check your child into school, an excuse must be provided for that as well. Finally, a best practice for all students is simply to not miss school if at all possible. Only keep your children home if they have a fever of 100 or higher, are vomiting, have diarrhea, or have pink or crusty eyes. Otherwise, just because your child says they don't feel well doesn't mean that's really enough to keep them home. In conclusion, remember, ensure regular attendance, verify excuses are turned in, and keep up with the types of excuses you've used. If you have any questions about attendance and legal procedures, please reach out to me at grady@hfialabama.com. That's grady@hfialabama.com. You can also reach me at 256-342-1867. If you have any questions about your school's requirements regarding parent notes or any other school procedures, make sure you contact your child's school. I hope this information answers any questions you may have about attendance. If I can be of any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.